boy. Uh-oh, you missed your mouth. Let me help you. Oh. Can I get it in your mouth? You missed it. You missed it. Here you go. Yum. Yummy. Do you want more? That's a lot in the spoon. Hold on. Come get it. Come get it, sweetie. Get the spoon. You can do it. There you go. Yum. Yummy. Does it taste so good in your tummy? Is it delicious? Mmm.